This is my weekly module assignment. So I placed the index file to bring it in form of a web app. I placed the server.js. I placed those different files like you see. And when I start my npm, it brings page like this where I can enter emails. I can put my emails. At gmail.com. Put another one. Put another one. And then I put the message. I click send. It loads the messages. Then once the emails are submitted successfully, it brings emails sent successfully. Once there is an error, it brings an error comment.